Hello, hello! Playing Pips by the New York Times, link in the description, as we are learning and practicing VTubing. Oh, we got medium today, and a decent size for a medium. What do we have going on? A notable lack of ones. So when we see a less than 2 up here, we know that it's going to be a 0. Do we have enough 3s for that to be there? No, that is our only 3, so we can also place that positionally down. Greater than 4 into a triple, triple, double, double that are equals, and we actually have quite a few options for the 5. So we have 4 5s total, so we could still hypothetically see a 5 in a triple, and it's not going to be in that one. Because if we do... Oh, yeah, interesting. So if we have a pink blue, whatever a pink number and a blue number are, right? In either position, that would force the other pink to share a border with the blue. Because we placed the 0, 3, we know this. And the thing is that the dominoes don't repeat. So if we used a pink blue, we wouldn't have a pink blue available for the other position. That means that we're going to see a pink pink across. And then the blue could be a doublet as well, or could go down to the dark blue. Let's see. That means pink is either 2s or 5s. And I don't know which yet. I have a suspicion it's going to be 2s. Let me double check my thinking here. Not necessarily. Okay. Everything that's remaining has to either be in a 2 of a kind, a 3 of a kind, or be a 4, or say a 5, or a greater than 4. So the 6s, say, we only have 2 of them. They can't be in the 3 of a kinds. Either they're both in 2 of a kinds, in which case they're going to be down here, because we can't, whatever this 2 of a kind is, it has to be on the same domino. It can't be just one of them here, because then the other 6 would have nowhere to go. So we're going to see this yellow be a 5. These 6s I think can place safely there. Since we have a 5-5, could work. A 5-4 also could work. We have a 4-4 available. I suspect it's gonna just be that. 4s, 2s, 5s. No, I can count. 5s, and then 2s. Back to puzzle. What was wrong with the 5-5 here? Oh, yeah, then we wouldn't have been able to play 2 more 5s, because we don't have... We had already used 1 there, that would have been 1 there, and then 2 remaining out of 3. So, single solution, pretty tidy. I like this. I haven't used that kind of reasoning where everything is constrained. Indeed, it's everything remaining is constrained, because we were able to place the unconstrained first. But I like that logic. I will try and keep this one in mind for when we design the programmatic solver, and make sure that it is also thinking in those terms and able to explain moves in those terms. If you have a number, for example, that can only exist in a particular spot, and then you can use that to narrow it down a greater than 4, which could be a 5 or 6, we were able to say pretty early on that it was indeed a 5. Hopefully that made sense. Feel free to say hi in the comments or ask any questions that you might have. And have a lovely evening. Bye.